All right, welcome back to another riveting edition of Let's Catch the Scofflaw. This time we're in Sandwich, Massachusetts at the transfer station. They have recently graduated from a vehicle sticker-based system to our license plate recognition system Plate Tracker, which is seamlessly mated to Town Hall 247, our point of sale solution for municipalities and the private sector when they're collecting revenue. So here we have a vehicle driving through, and you'll see on the bottom left-hand corner the green box around the plate indicates that that person is permitted. Now it plays a sound. There's obviously a history. You can right-click on one of them and see the scanned history of when it's been in, see the purchase history for that individual. You have a hot list that you can create to make a note of repeat offenders. But it's not just for a transfer station. Whether you're securing a school parking lot, monetizing a private sector region, or maybe a beach parking lot. That's a very popular use for our software. Bonsai Logic has you covered. So it's a very simple but elegant solution. And once you remove the vehicle stickers from the equation and basically all paper, you'll find you not only have an environmentally friendly solution, but one which is more convenient for your citizens and gives you a much better overview of the actual traffic at your facility with real data that you can use. So if any of that is of interest to you, and I'm sure it is because it's fascinating, please call us and schedule a free demo today. And I'll cut the video, but not until this car comes through. You see the scofflaw? Ah, indeed, we have a scofflaw. So in that instance, the staff would talk to them and make sure that they were permitted to be there, which they're not, but listen to the story and work our way through it. Thanks very much and have a great day.